Have you ever had that aha moment, that brilliant business idea, but then you hit a wall because, you're not a coder or some kind of tech genius? Well, this right here is for you. Today, we're going to break down the exact AI tools you need to act as your co-pilot, taking you all the way from a simple idea to a fully launched business.
Okay, so let's get real for a second. The AI world is noisy. There are so many tools out there, it's just overwhelming. To cut through all that noise, experts went through and vetted a mountain of over 500 different AI tools, all to find the ones that actually work. And you know what they found after looking at all those? You don't need hundreds of different subscriptions. Turns out, you just need 9. That's it. 9 essential co-pilots that can give any aspiring entrepreneur, techie or not, the freedom to build their dream from scratch. So here's how we're going to tackle this. We're walking through the classic founder's journey. We'll kick things off with a big opportunity, then get our hands dirty building the actual product, move on to crafting a killer brand, automating for growth, and then finally putting together your very own personal AI team. First up, let's talk about why all this matters right now. The AI opportunity is massive, but it's probably not what you've been hearing on the news. This quote just nails it, right? The big shift isn't about being replaced by some robot. No, it's about being empowered. The people who learn how to use these tools, who learn to work with AI, they're the ones who are going to pull ahead. It's about leverage. So you're ready to be one of those people. Awesome. But where do you even begin? Let's get to the fun part. Taking that little spark of an idea and turning it into something real, something you can actually hold. Well, digitally at least. You know, the best businesses solve real problems. So how do you find those problems? Here's a genius strategy. Use AI to basically spy on platforms like Reddit. It is an absolute goldmine of people just openly talking about their biggest frustrations. And every single one of those frustrations is a business idea just waiting to be built. This is where you assemble your new brainstorming team, AI chatbots. But think of them as specialists. Gemini is your visual expert, great for analyzing mockups. Claude is your super smart engineer for complex code. Need a bunch of ideas, like right now? That's a job for Llama. And if you need someone to give you the brutally honest truth, you ask Grok. And ChatGPT, that's your go-to project manager, the reliable all-rounder holding it all together. So here's what that looks like in the real world. Step 1, you tell ChatGPT to go find a common problem on Reddit. It finds this. I'm scared of building a product nobody wants. Okay, problem found. Step 2, you use a no-code tool, Lovable in this case, to quickly build a solution, an app to help people validate their business ideas. And step 3, to make it all go way faster, you use Whisper to just speak your commands instead of typing. We're talking 4 times faster. It's a game changer. Now, this next part is maybe the most crucial tip of all. You have to treat AI like an employee. If it's giving you garbage results, the problem isn't the tool, it's your instructions. You have to give it clear context, tell it exactly what you want, define the goal. The quality of your prompt literally determines the quality of the output. Okay, you've built a product that actually works. That is fantastic. But now you have to make it look professional, you have to make it look trustworthy. So let's talk about crafting your brand. We've all seen those generic websites that just scream AI made me in 5 minutes. They look cheap and nobody trusts them. So instead, you can use a service like 21st.dev. It gives you these high-quality, pre-made design components that you can just drop right into your app. This one simple step can instantly make your brand look legit and build that crucial trust with your first users. So what about your logo? For that, you bring in your personal concept artist, Gemini's image generation tool. It's perfect for just cranking out dozens of different visual ideas, super fast. You can use these concepts as a starting point to give a professional designer, or even just to get your own creative juices flowing. And don't expect to get it right on the first try. I mean, the source material showed that the first logo the AI generated was, well, it was terrible. But that's the whole point. They refined the prompt, asked for something more simplistic and Apple-like, and the next version was so much cleaner and closer to a real, usable concept. Iteration is absolutely everything. So your product is built, your brand is looking sharp. Now it's time to get the word out there. Time to market and scale. Let's look at how you can build an automated content engine that works for you even when you're sleeping. All right, you might want to buckle up for this one because this is where things get really futuristic. By combining 2 amazing tools, HeyGen for your face and 11 Labs for your voice, you can create a complete digital clone of yourself.
Seriously, an AI avatar that can generate endless video content from nothing more than a simple text script.
So why is this such a big deal? It's simple math. You can only work, 8 hours a day? Your AI clone works 24/7. It never gets tired. It can just constantly create social media content, ads, customer support videos, all while you focus on actually running the business.
Okay, now you've got all these powerful specialized tools, but how do you make them all work together? That is the job of NHAN. Think of it as the conductor of your AI orchestra. It's the digital glue that connects all your different apps and makes them work together in perfect harmony, all on autopilot. Here's a perfect example of what that looks like. Imagine you post a new article on your blog. That's the trigger. The second you hit publish, NN sees it, sends the article to your AI clone to create a quick video summary, and then automatically posts that video to your TikTok and Instagram accounts. All done, with zero manual work from you.
All right, we're in the home stretch now. You've built, branded, and marketed your idea. Now let's use AI to handle the day-to-day stuff so you can work smarter, not harder. Let's meet your final 2 AI employees. First, there's Granola, your silent meeting scribe. It transcribes and summarizes all your calls without some creepy bot having to join the meeting. And then there's Notebook LM. This is your company's brain. You just upload all your business documents, and instantly you have a chatbot that knows your company inside and out and can answer any question you have. And here it is, the whole journey on one slide. We started with AI chatbots to find the idea. We used Lovable and Whisper to build the product. We used 21st.dev and Gemini to create the brand. We scaled with HeyGen and N8N to market it. And finally, we used Granola and Notebook LM to operate the business day to day. This is it, your complete 9-tool AI copilot, ready to guide you through every single stage of building your business.
And that really brings us to the final and most important point. These tools aren't just for building apps. They're for building solutions. The whole point is that real value comes from creating value for other people. So the question isn't just what can you build with AI, it's whose dream can you help make a reality?